Hi everyone, this is Prince Heartfilia, and for today's episode, we are going to talk about how to make money with digital products. First, we are going to have a background. What are digital products? Digital products are a product you create once, delivered online, no physical shipping. Basically, it is a product inside your screens, phones, tablets, and many more. That's why it is called digital product. So we have the best examples here, like for example, planners, trackers, templates, courses, in-game purchases, and etc. So the examples are not just limited in here because there are tons and tons of types of digital products out there. To put it simply, here are the three basic steps. The first one is that you create once. You create a digital product, and then the second is you sell it many times with different online shops or even just one online shop can actually work. It's not just about putting your digital products in one shopping platform, but also you should market it with different social media platforms to actually make sales. And if the first two are successful, then people are going to buy it. And then with that, you can earn repeatedly. Here are the best examples of digital products out there. So we have the first ebooks with a lot of types of ebooks, like for example, novel ebooks, cooking, recipe ebooks, and many more. Social media templates. So these are one of, I think, the evergreen digital product. It's because businesses usually need this to launch their campaign, their product, their costs. And also people use them for fun or for social media posts. Next is templates and trackers. Canva is actually one of the popular platform that you can actually edit your trackers and templates. But it's not just limited with Canva. There are tons of software out there that you can use for your own templates and trackers. And then we have the online course. So just like what you are watching right now, this is an online course. In here, just because a product is one of the best or one of the good selling products out there doesn't mean it's for you. You must find your own niche and you must follow your path. You must follow what you really want, what you are good at. What are your characteristics? What's your lifestyle? And many more. Speaking of that, I am actually giving you a free product. So in here, these are one of the examples of digital product. So the first one is the self-love planner. So a type of planner that is very specific for you. Second is the vision book journal, a journal, and then the 12-month planner. So you can actually get this for free. You can just download it on the description box down below, and you can click the link with PDF, or you can actually edit them on Canva. I only used free templates for you to edit it out so that you won't purchase the Pro Canva. I will also be including the template link for this presentation if you want to use it. So again, these are all free. How do you get paid? The first one is one-time purchase. So a lot of digital products offer this for convenience and also for people to buy more. With that, if a person buys a digital product from you, and then with that one-time purchase, you can actually earn money. Second is download after payment. After you bought a digital product, and then you can proceed with the download. Third is the instant delivery. So after you paid the digital product that you want, the product will be sent to your email or through other platforms. You can receive them through your bank account or debit card. So some platforms actually require you to put your bank account and debit card. It's because it is widely used. Second, through PayPal. So PayPal is one of the most popular and international wallet that you can use. And third, there are a lot of digital banks and wallets out there depending on your currency, your demographics, your country, your server, and where you're from. Speaking of that, there are a lot of online shops that you can actually sell your digital product. So it depends on you on where you want to sell them. And it also depends on the availability on your area or country. So first one is we have the Shopify, second, the Gumroad, third, the Amazon, and then the fourth is the Etsy. These shopping platforms have actually their own policies and rules in order for you to sell. And there are also fees, incurring fees that you actually need to pay. And then you're not just going to sell your digital product on an online shop. You're not just going to put it there. So you have to market your products. Like, for example, we have TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. So you are going to make reels, you are going to make videos, post about your digital product so that more people can be aware. And who knows, they might buy your digital product. You would also strategize your post, your video so that people would be engaged and they would be convinced to buy your product. So maybe they will buy after you found your right strategy for your own digital product. The next one is why digital products are powerful. Number one, it's cost effective. So you don't have to pay for labor cost, manufacturing cost, the cost from raw materials in creating your product. So unlike traditional products that needs all of those, in digital products, it is purely on just your laptop, your cell phone, your computer. It's purely on the screen that you can actually sell it to people. Second is that it requires no inventory. So unlike traditional products that requires physical storage or storage room, and you will still pay for the rent of that storage room or for that lot, but in digital product, it's completely different because you don't need any of those. And for your digital product to be stored, you only need storage or some platforms offers it. Third is it works anytime. You don't have to manually record it or track it, just like in traditional products. So they have just a time limit. Like for example, you can just sell your product on daytime or on specific days, on specific hours, depending on you. But in digital product, you can sell it 24/7 as long as it is available and it is still in stock. And fourth, it can be done part-time. So you might wonder that maybe digital product is actually good. So even though digital products can actually pay you in big amounts of money, here are realistic expectations of selling digital products. So the first one is that it's not an instant success. So selling digital product requires consistency. It requires effort in selling your digital products. It's because there are a lot of ups and downs and obstacles that you are going to face. Second, it's not guaranteed money, not guaranteed instant money because some digital products actually fail because they don't have the right approach and many more reasons. Third is that it requires learning and consistency. Digital products are not an instant success. So maybe if you fail selling the first two or the first five digital products, maybe you can actually sell on your sixth or seventh one. It's because you've learned from your past mistakes. Fourth, tax complexity. In here, it actually depends where you're from, what country you are in, what state you are in. It's because there are a lot of incurring fees, and this can actually affect your revenue. Fifth, it is prone to piracy and copying. And yes, it is actually a norm when selling online. It's because there are a lot of people who want to copy your digital product. And it is something that is unavoidable, inevitable, and something that you can't control. And the last one is intense competition. Of course, in today, there are a lot of people who are selling digital products. And it's not just you, it's not just me, it's not just the people around you or the people in your country, but there are also a lot of people from other areas with a top tier quality digital products. So you must be unique in selling your digital products to make your own revenue. Who is this for? So Newbies, creatives, students, or just anyone who wants to earn can actually make money from digital products. There's actually a series that I'm making about this digital product journey. So if you want to stay tuned, please subscribe to my channel for more updates like this. Who knows, maybe this will work for you. Thank you. Bye.